Hi guys, Lens here, and in this video I am going to show you how to factory reset your phone properly. First, you will want to make sure that your battery percentage is at least 60%, and this is just for extra safety and extra measure when you are doing this reset. Some phones can take longer than some. It shouldn't take very long, but to be on the safe side, you want to make sure that your phone is at least 60% for the factory reset process, and also for the optimization of the device and the updating of the apps as well when your Android system is resetting. So guys, when you are going to reset any Android devices, you want to make sure that your battery percent is at 60% at least. You can do it at 40%. Anything below 40% is a risk. Before doing the reset, you want to go to settings, then you want to go to your accounts, right? So for this phone, we are going into the accounts. As you can see, I have a number of accounts here. What I want you to do, I want you to go to Google. You will want to remove your Gmail accounts from your device. So this is very important to practice when resetting your device. You want to remove your Gmail account from your device. If this phone is not yours, then you surely want to do this, or it will ask for the login credentials for your Google login, and you can't use the phone without the Google login password and email address unless you get a Google removal tool. Just to be on the safe side, you want to do this especially if the phone is not yours. So we remove the Gmail accounts. There are two ways how we can reset a phone. We can do so by going to About Device for most Samsung phones. You will see looking for something, and you will see reset at the bottom there. And some phones will have the factory reset option in. You will see general management, and also we have the reset button here as well. So we can factory reset the phone from here. Another way how to reset your device is to do a hard reset. You can do this by powering off your phone. And for most Android phones, you will need to hold the volume up and the power button to properly reset your phone. For Samsung phones that have a home button, you want to hold the volume up, the home button, and also the power button. You hold these three buttons together. When you see the screen lights up, you want to release the power button. And when you see the Android logo, you want to release all buttons. This can be green or it can be blue. If you see this no command screen, you want to just double tap twice. And this should bring us to Android recovery. Here we can do a hard reset, and I know you can see wipe data factory reset there. We can go here. You want to select. Some phones will use the volume up button to select. For Samsung phones, you use the power button to select. Then if we select yes, the phone will factory reset to factory settings. So there are two ways how you can reset a phone. You can do a hard reset, and also you can do a factory reset. So what I am going to do here, I am going to do a soft reset using the phone system. It doesn't really matter, you know. So basically I'm doing this for the tutorial mainly, I am going to do a soft reset, and I am going to show you exactly how to do so. Also bear in mind it can take some time, so those persons who have phones with removable battery, you don't want to panic at all. And whatever you do, you don't want to remove your battery. So let's go to general management, let's go to reset, and let's go to factory reset, and let's reset the device. We have to put in the pin that was on the phone to confirm, and we are going to delete all. As I stated, sometimes this can take a while, so that's why you need to make sure that your battery is charged up. So guys, as you can see, I did not expect this to take this long, but at times it can take longer than you expected. And like this, all you have to do here is to just wait it out. It will take its time and it will successfully come on to the welcome screen. At times persons panic when they see that, oh, my phone is not coming on, what's happening? Then they pull the battery out. Also, this is another reason why you need to perform this on a battery that is functional and is above at least 40%. So as you can see, it took some time, and I actually leave it for you guys to see how long it would take to start up. Wanna hit next, want to skip, agree to all terms and conditions, then want to hit next, want to hit next, want to hit next, not now, want to skip, want to skip, want to agree. And as you can see, our phone successfully reset successfully, and our phone is brand new here. This is how you do it. So guys, my name is Lens, and this is how you reset your Android phone properly. 100% legit. So if this video was a useful one, like, share, comment, and hit the bell notification for my latest videos. Guys, my name is Lens. Let me hear you song love in the comment section. I'm out.